And now breaking news in the fiber optic industry. Andersen stocks a wide range of rapidconnect pigtails in either 6 or 12 packs at 1.5 meters long. Andersen offers single mode, OM1, OM3, and OM4, duplex or simplex pigtails. The standard connectors available are SC, LC, ST, SCA, and LCA. However, other connectors are available in the range. Should you have a different requirement from our standard, please contact us because we are happy to assist you in any way possible. Now, to ensure easy cable management and identification, we use international color standards to which each fiber is perfectly color coded. Not only this, but all rapidconnect pigtails come with extremely low insertion and return loss. They are machine polished to guarantee a quality finish, therefore maintaining our usual level of excellence. So, when your team needs the highest quality pigtails, think Andersen Corporation and visit our website today. Just click on the link below to request a quotation.